Welcome back to the introduction of EC faculty series. We start with the second leg of our dedicated faculty of EC department.
Professor Tamam Tillo. Professor Tamam Tillo has traveled the world and has been a faculty in a variety of countries such as Korea and China among others. In 2005, he received the PhD degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Italy. His research interests are convolutional neural networks for some image processing tasks. His teaching interests include convolutional neural networks, image processing and signal processing.
Next, we have Professor Anand Srivastav. He had a long stint of 20 years with Center for Development of Telematics (CDOT), a telecom research center of Government of India, where he was director and member of CDOT board. Dr. Anand Srivastav did his MTech and PhD from IIT Delhi in 2003. He is also a member of IEEE and Optical Society of America (OSA). His research interests are digital communications, wireless and optical communications, optical networks. His teaching interests include digital, optical and wireless communication.
Next in Professor Anubha Gupta. Professor Anubha Gupta graduated with a PhD degree in Electrical Engineering from IIT Delhi in 2006. She did her bachelor's and master's in ECE from Delhi University in 1991 and 1997 respectively. Her research interests are application of wavelet transforms, machine learning and compressed sensing, sparse reconstruction, fMRI, EEG, MRI, DTI signal and image processing, genomics signal processing for communication engineering and RF energy harvesting. Her teaching interests include courses related to signal and image processing, wavelet and multirate analysis, statistical signal processing.
Introducing Associate Professor Vivek Ashok Behra. He is an Associate Professor in the EC department. Dr. Vivek Ashok Behra got his PhD in the Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Nanyang Technological University, Singapore in 2011. His research interests are device-to-device communication, visible light communication, hybrid VLC RF architecture, proof of concept test beds, and experimental validation. His teaching interests are wireless communication, digital communication, wireless system implementation.
And next we have Associate Professor Sumit Darak. Dr. Sumit Darak received his Bachelor of Engineering degree in Electronics and Telecommunications Engineering from Pune University in 2007 and his PhD degree from NTU, Singapore in 2013. Some of his research interests are intelligent, reconfigurable and self-sustainable wireless radio, machine learning for wireless networks, algorithms to architectures. Some of his teaching interests are green information and communication technology, advanced digital system design, and advanced digital signal processing.
Next we have Associate Professor Sujoy Dev. He received his PhD from the School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, Washington State University, Pullman in May 2012. Before his current position, he worked as an intern at Intel Labs, Hillsboro, Oregon. Some of his research interests are heterogeneous systems architecture, SoC design and test, design of novel interconnect architectures for multi-core chips, hardware security, low-cost biosensors for preventive healthcare. Some of his teaching interests or the courses that he teaches are computer organization, computer architecture, SoC design and test, digital VLSI design.
Next up we have Associate Professor Sneh Saurabh. Dr. Sneh Saurabh obtained his PhD from IIT Delhi in the year 2012 and BTech in EE from IIT Kharagpur in the year 2000. He worked in the semiconductor industry for around 16 years before joining IIIT Delhi in June 2016. He has contributed at various technical and managerial positions at Cadence Design Systems, Synopsys India, Magma Design Automation, and Atrenta India. His research interests include nanoelectronics, exploratory electronic devices, energy efficient systems, VLSI design and verification, and CAD for VLSI. His teaching interests include nanoelectronics, fundamentals of semiconductor devices, VLSI design and verification, CAD for VLSI.
Next, we have Associate Prof. Saket Anand. Associate Professor in EC Department, Dr. Saket Anand completed his PhD in Electrical and Computer Engineering from Rutgers University in 2013. He was part of the Robust Image Understanding Lab at Rutgers. From 2007 to 2010, he worked as a research engineer at Reading Technologies, Bangalore, developing algorithms for handwriting recognition. His master's research was carried out at Rutgers from 2004 to 2006. His research interests are geometric computer vision, semi-supervised learning, robust methods, and scene understanding. His teaching interests are computer vision, statistical signal processing, machine learning, and linear optimization.
Next up, we have Associate Professor Sanjeet Kaul. Dr. Sanjeet Kaul received his BTech degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, in 2000, and his PhD degree in Electrical and Computer Engineering from Rutgers University in 2011. He worked in the telecommunication industry for 4 years from year 2000 to 2004. He was a research assistant with the Wireless Information Networks Laboratory from 2005 to 2011. His research interests include Age of Information, networking for cyber-physical systems, and networks of autonomous vehicles and autonomous driving. His teaching interests are probability and random processes and wireless networks.